Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about how many different L shapes consisting of 3 small squares can you find in an 8x8 square grid. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to try and figure it out. Alright, now that you've got your answers locked in, we're going to show you the fastest way to find the answer. If you think about it, there are 4 variations of this L shape. This one, this one, this one, and this one. All 4 of these come from a 2x2 square. So actually, all you have to ask yourself is, how many 2x2 squares are in an 8x8 grid? Well, that's pretty easy, since we can represent this 2x2 square with a dot. This dot is going to be at the center of the 2x2 square. Alright, now all you have to ask yourself is, how many dots are there now? Well, if you take a look here, all the dots go 7 down and 7 across. This means our final answer would be 7 times 7, right? Wrong. Your final answer should be 7 times 7 times 4, since there are 4 variations of this L shape, making our final answer 196. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe.